What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I'm super excited because I'm going to be going through my P.O. box again and reviewing some slimes that you all sent me. This is actually a part 2 because I've actually done a previous video like this before, so you can go ahead and check it out up here somewhere. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very freaking much. You already know what it is. You are my favorite. You have your post notifications on. You are always here within the first 30 minutes of the video, and you always comment using hashtag unicorn fam, and I love you for that. If you would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, of course, and comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam, and make sure you have your post notifications on. Now I don't want to take up too much time of the intro, but I do want to let you all know that I actually have merch out, so you can get a Shook t-shirt, or you can have a t-shirt with my logo on it. We have hats, we have wristbands, we have pop sockets, anything that you'd like, we probably have it in the shop, so make sure you check out the link down below to my shop so you can get some merch. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you all the slime that I got, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, so first up here we have Slime Addicts. They actually gave me a really cool sticker, which is awesome. It came with a slime. This one is called Light Mint. There's also a little extra slime. This is called Vanilla Cupcake, and then there was a ring pop in here as well. So let's get into the slime here. This one is called Light Mint. Looks like a gummy slime of some sort. That's kind of the texture that's reminding me of. This has been sitting a while, so it is a little bit melted. I will go ahead and activate that real quick. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I activated Light Mint. This one has a really nice texture to it. It's like a gummy slime, which if you don't know what a gummy slime is, it is a clear base slime with like lotion or scent added in. So like it's not meant to be completely see-through, but it is more like on the opaque side, which I love. I love all the gold glitters in here. I will say I don't smell any mint. Maybe that was just like the name that you were giving it. But I really do enjoy the texture. And I like all the gold glitters in there. I think the colors go good together. Okay, so let's check out Vanilla Cupcake here. So this one here is a really nice, almost gummy texture as well, with some foam beads added to it as well. It's just a really nice texture. I really do enjoy the gummy textures. This one here, I'm not too sure if it's scented or not. I don't know if it's like scented or if it's just my mind playing tricks on me, because I know it's called Vanilla Cupcake. I kind of smell like baked goods scent. But honestly, I could be wrong, and it could be unscented. I don't know. So next up we have a jelly slime here, and this one here is called Lollipops and Gumdrops, so it came with the slime. They also included this really cool vial of borax solution or whatever activator they use, and then of course their business card as well, which is pretty cool as well. Fun story about this one. This was actually given to my grandma to give to me. They actually saw my grandma in person and recognized her, and they wanted to give her some slime for me to review. So that is how I got this here, which is super cute. I believe it was at a craft show and they were there selling slime. So this is awesome. I'm really excited. So once again, the slime is called Lollipops and Gumdrops, and it looks really pretty. It almost reminds me of Bejeweled. It just looks so amazing with all the rainbow fishbowl beads in there. And there is a lollipop charm in there, and there's a bunch of iridescent glitter in there as well. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks amazing. Oh my goodness, that is such a great texture. It doesn't even need any activator, and it's super clear. I love this already. Look at that. Amazing. So this next slime here was sent over by Charlie Eremia. I'm so sorry if I totally butchered your last name right now. I'm not too sure how to say that. But it came with a bunch of candy here that I've actually never tried before. These here I've never tried. Never had blue rainbow nerds either. So I'm really excited for that. I'm not too sure if this slime has a name, but there was a note included here. So if you want to read that, you can go ahead and read it. I already read it. And by the way, in the note, Charlie asks if I can let you know where I get my Daiso clay. And I actually just get it on Amazon. So there you go. Okay, so let's get into this slime here. It's a really nice blue color, which is really nice as well. It looks like it might have been swirled because it looks like there's some pink on this side here. Let's see. Ooh, that is super, super soft. I think it might need just a tiny bit of activator. But the texture already is gold and it is glossy. My goodness. I am in love with the color of this slime. It is unscented. However, it smells like there might have been like a scented lotion added into this, which is really cool. And it gives it a really nice scent so it just doesn't smell like glue, which is awesome. I really love the texture of this. It's super, super soft. I really can't explain it. That's the only word that I can think of because it doesn't feel like there's any clay in it. It feels like there was just a bunch of lotion added into this, which I personally love. Soft slimes like this are goals. I don't know how the color is coming off on camera, but in real life, it's super, super pretty. Like a dark bluish kind of purple almost. It's just has me shook. Next up, we have Infinity Slimes here, and they sent over a slime. This is an 8-ounce slime, and then 2 4-ounce slimes here, also a squishy, a bunch of candy, which is appreciated, and it looks like it's Mexican candy, actually, which I love. There's also this cute little seahorse eraser, and then in this bag here, I believe it's a business card and borax, per usual. Let's see. Yes, Infinity Slimes. Their business card, and then a baggie of borax. I will definitely make sure to link everybody's Instagrams down below if I can find one for them. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the 8-ounce slime here. These slimes don't have any name labels, so I'm just going to go ahead and guess like by the scent. Let me smell it real quick. Ooh, this one smells like watermelon, so it might be like some watermelon or like a candy kind of theme slime. Looks to me like it's going to be either a cloud or like a cloud cream, maybe a cloud dough. Let's find out. That feels so nice. It actually feels like a sorbet kind of slime. Oh my gosh. So the beads are falling out just a tiny bit, but that happens with cloud slimes. You gotta work with them for a little bit, and then they will be able to stick in there, so that's totally fine. I think, however, this is a cloud cream because I don't see any of that drizzlation happening, so this might just be a regular cloud cream. It's definitely very spreadable for sure, and it smells amazing. I love the added texture with the foam beads. They're really, really cute. It adds almost like a gumdrop type of vibe to this. I'm in love. And also it leaves little to no residue at all. So now we have one of the 4-ounce slimes. This one looks like it might be like a brownie batter, I'm gonna guess. So let's find out. Yep, it definitely smells like chocolate. So I'm thinking like a brownie batter or a cosmic brownie batter, something like that. Ooh. That is a really cool texture. And I don't think it's gonna need any borax at all. It feels like it's all there together, you know? This is such a cool texture. It actually reminds me of one of the last slimes, like one of the previous ones. Almost like a gummy type of texture. And the chocolate scent is amazing. Smells really good. I like the texture of this. You already know I like my gummy slimes with a little bit of foam beads. It just feels amazing. This reminds me of chocolate pudding. Everything I live for in one slime. And lastly, we have this slime here. It looks so pretty because there's a bunch of glitter in it. There is foam beads in it, and it looks like a cloud as well. So let's find out. Ooh. That's not a cloud. Ooh, is this a jelly slime? This feels awesome. What is it though? It's a jelly cube. There's a jelly cube in there. It's a jelly cube slime. OMG. I am shook to my finding. Okay, first of all, this needs no borax. The texture is amazing. Give it a little crunch. Wow. Wow, honey. This feels awesome, to be honest. Let's try and squish the jelly cube here. I'm actually like the worst at this, so let's see how it goes. I never get that satisfying bubble pop sound. It just squishes. Alrighty, so next up we have a slime from Maya B Slime Shop here. This one is called Cherry. In here there's actually a note, a bag of extras with foam beads, some borax, also a dot candy, which I love. So included was this note here. Make sure you go ahead and check out Maya B's Slime account. And then there is also this one here. I believe they have a YouTube channel as well. I will make sure to go ahead and double check that and link it if I can find it. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I activated this slime here. It was a tad bit sticky. I really like the texture of this. It's just a regular schmegular type of slime texture, so nothing fancy, no snow or anything added into it. But there are foam beads to give it some added texture, and I really like it. It actually reminds me of a dessert that I had one time. It was like some vanilla mousse type of stuff with cherries mashed up into it. It was actually really, really good. That's what this reminds me of. It doesn't smell like it's scented like cherries or anything really, but it's a pretty color and it has really nice texture, like I said, so it's really, really good. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed the slime as much as I did. If you were one of the ones that sent me any slime, thank you so much. And if I haven't gotten to your slime yet, I definitely will be doing so. I got a lot of packages in my P.O. box and I can't open them all in one video or else it would be like hours long. Sorry about it, but it will come out soon, I promise you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to help a brother out and give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. If you're new around here, just come on through. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from the sun.